Welcome to another version of Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to be talking about field balancing. With this service, we send out one of our experienced analysts to your plant. In the special case where we have high vibration at operating speed, so many of us think the calls must be unbalanced. And in many cases, it is. But the trouble is, there's at least 7 or 8 things that cause high vibration at operating speed. So, how do you tell what's causing this high vibration? Phase analysis. In our own case, over the last 25 to 30 years of doing field balancing, we found via phase analysis that only about 54% of the time that we were asked to do balancing, the problem was actually balance. That means 46% of the time the problem was due to one of the other 6 to 7 causes. So, give us a call to have one of our highly experienced analysts come to your plant to meet your vibration needs, specifically field balancing. Thank you for joining us today on another Maintenance Monday.